Hello, welcome to RYU. This is our exam guide video. Tong video na to makakatulong sa inyo para maipasa nyo agad ang inyong mga exams so that you can start working. Okay? I'm pretty sure many of you already started filled up your application forms or itong tatlong forms na to. If not, mahanap nyo siya sa newbie guide sa ating Discord server. Okay? Scroll up lang konti kasi may other messages dyan and other instructions from our ATLs and TLs. Okay? Hanapin nyo lang yung post ni Ma'am Joy, Charlene Joy Gisela. Okay? And then, paki-fill up itong tatlong forms. If not, kung hindi nyo pa na-fill-upan. And, this video will also help you guide sa pagda-download ng Ginger software and yung offline maps if you want to practice. Okay? So, if you have not downloaded the software, ito yung guide. Okay? So, all you need to do is to click this link. Okay? Mapupunta kayo sa Google Drive. It looks like this. Okay? Huwag kayong mag-download isa-isa nitong mga to. You have to download the whole folder. Okay, to do that, you have to click Ginger Software and click Download. Okay, mag-zip siya, parang dito sa lower right. Okay, and you have to wait for it to zip and for it to download. After niya mag-zip, pupunta na lang kayo sa Downloads folder nyo kung saan napunta yung zip file. Okay, para mabuksan, hindi nyo siya bubuksan like this. Okay, kailangan nyo siyang i-extract. Okay, so right-click and extract files. Tapos, ilagay nyo siya kung saang folder nyo gusto ilagay. Okay. Meron na akong Ginger software. So, ganito ang itsura niya. For your exam guide, ang gagamitin natin ay Ginger 2018. Okay. So, open. Agree. And, lagay nyo yung exam ID na ibibigay sa'yo. Okay. So, this is my exam ID. Okay. Ayan. So, meron na siyang map. Meron na, ito yung Ginger window natin. Meron ng map available. For those, para sa mga mag-uumpisa pa lang, para makapag-download ng map is you just press this button or Control D. Okay? Etong M na to, ibig sabihin naka-manual download ako. Pag sinubmit ko to, I have to press this again or press Control D. Pero, pag switch ko yan to A, you just click. Pag submit ko to, magda-download si Ginger automatically. I don't have to press this button or I don't have to press Control D. Okay? Alright. Now, how to start the exam? Okay? So, you were given a training manual as well and videos para matulungan kayo how to use your basic tools. Okay? This video will not be teaching you how to use your basic tools because that's in a separate video or training manual. So, for this part, tutulungan natin kayo kung paano natin maiwasan ang mga topology errors. Okay? How to find or how to find topology errors, all you need to do is press Control T. Okay? Makikita nyo sa comment box, merong error dito. Post-shift overlap. Post-shift overlap means may dalawang label na nag-overlap. Iha-highlight nyo yung area kung saan nag-overlap. Okay? So, what you need to do is either you adjust, okay, or redraw, or delete, depende sa'yo. So, Ginger does not allow overlapping labels. Dapat either magkahiwalay sila or adjacent like this. Okay? So, that's how you fix post-shift overlaps, or that's what happens pag may post-shift overlap. Okay? Now, let's try kickback. Ayaw ni Ginger ng ganitong mga shapes. Okay? Sometimes, this is also sliver edge. Okay? So, wala naman talagang building na ganito ang shape. So, what we need to do is we either just, we can use yung repair tool, X or Z. Ayan. Ganyan lang. And then, okay na siya. Alright? Next, we have illegal grouping. Okay? Remember, when grouping, di ba, dapat magkadikit yung two layers or two features to group. So, 4. Okay? That is an okay grouping kasi magkadikit sila. Pag may lumabas na illegal grouping, ibig sabihin yung layer ay nakahiwalay. Ayan. Post-shift illegal grouping. That means you cannot group these two layers or these two features kasi magkahiwalay sila. How can you group two things like that? Right? And another thing is no feature split. Okay? So, anong ibig sabihin ng no feature split? Okay. Usually, nangyayari siya sa cases na may cavities. Okay? So, pag gumagamit tayo ng split tool, P, ang point ng paggamit ng split tool ay gumagawa tayo ng panibagong feature. Okay? So, pag nag-split akong like this, no feature splitted, sabi niya. Big sabihin nun kasi, wala akong bagong feature na gagawa. Pag split ko yan, isang buong feature pa rin ito. Okay? Parang donut lang na may hati dyan. Hindi yan panibagong part ng donut. Isang buong donut pa rin siya. So, ang kailangan mong gawin pag ganyang no feature splitted is mag-cut ka na lang here para magawan ito ng bagong feature and separate feature na to. So, press T and spacebar. Ayan, nakasplit na akong maayos. Okay? Alright. After you finish your 34 maps, mag-download lang kayo ng mag-download sa Ginger app nyo. You can close the Ginger app, tas open nyo na lang ulit kung kailan kayo available, and mag-download kayo. Pag may mapa na lumabas, or sabi niyan, downloading new task, big sabihin, may pushback or may correction si manager sa exam mo. Don't worry, all you need to do is just to follow the instructions. Lalabas yung comments niya dito sa comment box. Okay? For this part of the video, tuturuan natin kayo how to follow yung instructions or yung corrections ni Checker from your exam. Okay? Alright. Pag sinabi nating not 3D, ibig sabihin walang wall yung label na yan. So, for example, you labeled the house like this. Okay? At sabi ni Checker dito sa comment box, not 3D. All you need to do is select the feature and press Control Q. Okay, Control Q para ma-delete yung wall or yung green dashed line. Okay? Next naman is, if sabi ni Checker sa comment box is, use vector, ibig sabihin, or drag or adjust wall, ibig sabihin, you need to drag or adjust the wall. Okay? So, ganun na nga. Select nyo yung layer, and then, hold control, and click and drag kung saan yung proper wall. Okay, kung sabi niya adjust the wall, then dapat accurate yung wall nyo dun sa drawing. Okay, this is just an example. Next, trace or snap or connect. Okay, sometimes kasi, yun nga, okay, for example, this one. Okay, let's say, different part na building ito. Pero magkadikit dapat sila. Okay? Alright. Sometimes, when we draw, nahihiwalay natin sila. Pag sinabi ni Checker or ni manager na trace, snap, or connect, i-snap nyo lang siya or i-connect nyo siya. Okay? Next. Next correction, use brother method. Pag sinabi niyang brother method, nasa 3D training ito. Okay? pag sinabi niyang brother method, dapat gumamit ng brother method. Sometimes kasi, napagkakalimutan natin yung H tool or trace tool. Okay? Imbes na gumamit tayo ng trace tool, gumamit tayo ng S, for example. This is not brother method. Dapat may lalabas din na green dashed line dito. Kasi hindi siya nag-trace properly. Because I used S tool. Dapat, ang ginamit natin dyan, H tool. Dapat ganyan. May green dashed line. So, yun ang use brother method. Okay? Pag yun yung correction niya. Dapat naka-dikit siya dito sa first layer and may shared wall sila here. This is their shared wall. Okay? Kasi minsan, mayroon kami nakikitang trying to cheat the system. Kunwari ganito. Tapos, ipupull na lang yung wall, ganyan. No, that is not the way to do it. Okay? Use H tool. Okay. Next issue or correction na pwedeng bigay ni checker is group properly. Okay? Alright, so sometimes nakakalimutan natin na pag ganitong multi-layer yung building is we have to group them. Kasi sinasabi natin sa sistema na this is one building with multiple layers. Okay, so dapat press natin 4. Okay? Next, sabi ni checker, cut and group. Okay? Okay, so sometimes merong mga buildings na we need to cut and group. So for example, this building, example only, sabi ni checker dito sa area na to is cut and group. Okay, so all you need to do is to cut that and group. Oops, sorry. And group, like that. Okay? Next, cavity. So I think it's pretty obvious na pag sinabi ni checker cavity, then gawa natin siya ng cavity using C tool or T tool. Okay? Next, corner missed or covered by trees. May mga bahay kasi na natakpan ng trees or natakpan kunwari yung part ng house nila ng trees. Okay, so sometimes, let's say andito yung tree, hindi natin napansin, ganito tayo nag-label. This is still part of the house kahit natakpan siya ng tree. Okay, so all you need to do is just to use your repair tool. Ganyan siya, for example. Okay. Next, pag sinabi ni checker na multi-layer building, ibig sabihin, this building has to be drawn with multiple layers. Okay, so for example, eto, drino ko siya as 1. For example. Tapos sabi ni checker dyan, multi-layer building dapat yan. Okay, then you need to cut, or for example, eto, just an example, we have to cut that layer and then group. Okay, this is just an example for this map, ha? This is not the correct way for this map. Next. And sometimes, si checker, sasabihin niya, use right angle tool. During your trainings, or while watching the training manuals, sabi niya, you can use the S tool to draw, okay? Pero it produces weird angles, okay? So we encourage you using F tool instead, okay? And so if he says use right angle tool, then use right angle tool. And of course, pag sinabi merge or draw as one building, for example, drino ko siya separately here. All you need to do is select both and merge. Okay? Okay. Alright. So, one more thing to remember. Minsan, pag nag-click tayo ng error dito, minsan kung saan-saan tayo dadalhin ni Ginger. Sometimes that happens talaga. Kunwari, nawala yung map. Hindi nyo mahanap. Kahit zoom out ka ng zoom out, hindi mo mahanap yung map, for example. Okay? So, what you need to do is right-click dito sa image file, building, draw, TIF file, right-click, zoom to file. Babalik ka niya sa map. Alright, so that's it for the corrections, comment corrections by checkers. Okay, that's it for our exam guide. Um, please don't follow, please don't do what I did here in this map kasi this was just an example map to show you the errors. Okay, good luck with your exam and hopefully we'll see you in the production soon enough. Have a good day!